And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix Facebook Marketplace not sending messages. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to fix your Facebook Marketplace not sending messages, simply start by ensuring to have a stable internet connection. You can simply check that your internet connection is strong enough or not, and once you have done this, you can simply choose to change your IP address or change your internet connection as well. Along with it, simply try updating your Facebook app, and or if you are in browser, try to erase all the cookies. Check if the person you're trying to message has deactivated the account, or if you have been blocked, or if you have blocked them as well. If the issue persists, simply clear the app's cache and log out and log back in, or even you can reinstall the app itself. If you suspect a temporary restrictions due to violating Facebook's Chrome, commerce policies, or community standards, you can simply appeal for restrictions. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.